My work is a journey of exploration toward artistic and spiritual integration. This process has been brought together in this exhibition. Through my creations, I seek to reveal the connection between fragmentation and unity, constructing a visual language that engages with the sacred feminine. In this presentation, I will share the process behind the quest and how it materializes in my work. My artistic path has always been guided by an ancestral connection with nature. It has been an intuitive process, a search that has led me to find in Mother Earth a window into a higher being, a sacred energy that also resides within every human being. These images show a petrified tree and a volcanic stone from the Temazcal, elements symbolizing memory and transformation. These fire-heated stones embody ancestral wisdom that speaks to us. Just as the Mesoamerican cosmology, they remind us of the interconnection between internal and external elements, the body and the spirit. This 11-piece installation called Lunar Centers talk about the feminine emotional energy influenced by the moon. This wisdom, rooted in Kundalini Yoga, teaches us how these emotional states manifest in different parts of the body, represented in images of moving photography under the full moon. These transitions between light and shadow reflect a constantly shifting duality. An example of this is the piece of Compassionate Victim, which illustrates how when the lunar centers are in the nipples, we can be in our luminous side feeling compassionate, or in our shadow side feeling like victims. This is the reason why I chose to print my work in two different photographic layers or textile veils reflecting feminine subtlety. This emotional map serves as a reminder of the fluidity of our identity and how our essence is not static but a continuous flow that defines and transforms us in every moment. Yo soy. Yo soy. Yo soy flujo. Yo soy. Yo soy. This video performance is one of the pieces that demonstrates different ways of embodying myself as goddesses or representations of feminine divinity in this body. Through a ritual with a narrative that has both a beginning and an end, it is a circle and a completion in this present incarnation. During the integration process, I sought recognition in mental maps inspired by Sri Yantra, where opposites are balanced by a third element. In Mesoamerican cosmovision, the feminine and the masculine integrate into a third force, as seen in Coatlicue, the goddess of a duality and unity, where two opposing forces merge to form a third energy. This principle of integration is reflected in my work in the way symbols and images interact to create new possibilities of meaning. Sacred geometry, in this sense, serves as a bridge between structure and intuition. In the next piece, I present the video of the stone caught in the net, which materializes this principle. The stone caught in the net, softened by the sea, symbolizes the tension between structure and fluidity, between containment and freedom. It is a metaphor for both the creative and life processes. Something that once felt trapped, but over time transforms and integrates into a new state, finding in containment a space of balance rather than limitation. It no longer feels trapped, but supported and in harmony with its surroundings. This next piece is the circular tapestry. This circular tapestry represents the infinite possibilities of being a woman in a single existence. It is a metaphor for continuous transformation and the unity between the personal and the collective. This piece materializes the constant flow between unity and fragmentation in the experience of being a woman, a duality present both in our individual journeys and this social fabric. This is where the exhibition's title and conceptual approach emerge, reflecting the interconnection of our stories, identities, and process of integration. The sphere in my power symbolizes the integration and balance of opposing forces. The life force and the transformative force converge in this piece, reminding us that true strength lies in embracing the totality of our experience. The next piece, the Heartstone, is the core of my connection to the sacred, to the primal force that guides me. The spiral neon piece that comes after this, with the phrase I am, concludes this journey. It is an affirmation of full consciousness, the culmination of the integration process, and the recognition of the power of fully inhabiting our being. The light serves as a reminder of the energy that has always passed through us and will continue to do so, manifesting in infinite forms. This process is an invitation to rediscover unity in diversity, to reimagine the sacred from a contemporary and personal perspective, to go beyond what is broken and disconnected, seeking integration through art and spirituality. Each piece is a bridge between past and present, between the internal and the collective, reminding us that integration is an ongoing act of transformation. Thank you very much.